Hello friends, in this video I'll be showing you how you can go about scaling up your online business once you have your numbers in place. Okay, so this is Murtuza Abbas here, and in this video you will be learning how you can go about scaling up your online business. The first thing you have to do in your on your website is to make sure that you test everything, okay, from start to finish, okay, because the fact is that even if you have created the best website and the best products, it is extremely important that you must know the conversion rates of various things that you are doing on your internet in your internet business. Okay, so the most important parts of my online business which I personally track is my lead conversion rate, that is squeeze page conversion rate. I track the conversion rate of my various products on the sales letters. Okay, so what kind of conversion rate each of my products is getting me. I also track the email open rates and the click-through rates. So these are the various things I track. Also, I make sure that I know the entire, what kind of traffic I am getting to my entire website, and I have around 4 squeeze pages on my website right now. So what conversion rate each and every squeeze page is getting me. So these are all the things which I am personally testing on my website. Now that I know that these things are working, and which traffic source is helping me to get these kind of conversion rates, so I have a system in place. So let me give you an example. Let's say before 2 months I did a simple test campaign. I put up approximately 100 articles in one of the top article directories like ezinearticles.com. Okay, and these 100 articles got me approximately 300 leads. Okay, so 300 leads, you can calculate that these articles got me approximately 900 to 1000 visitors. Okay, so 1000 visitors got converted into 300 leads approximately from 100 articles, and these 300 leads ended up giving me 2 high paying clients, coaching clients, which actually who ended up paying me approximately $1100. So what happened is that 100 articles got me 300 leads, and 300 leads made me $1100. So my per article revenue is $11. Okay, so this is the testing which I have done. So now what happens is that I can easily outsource the article writing work at $3 to $4 per piece, and I can scale up the business. Okay, I can easily scale up my business, and I can make a return on investment of approximately 100% easily. Okay, so I can pay someone $3 to $4 to write per article, and I can make $10 return on that. Okay, so that is approximately 200% return on investment. Okay, so you can do this only when you know exactly what your numbers are. So I can easily now go about hiring article writers, and the next month I can go about creating 300 articles. Okay, so 300 articles will end up making me $3000. So if I write 500 articles, it can end up making me $5000. Okay, so this is an average which I am expecting. Okay, so this is how you can scale up your online business when you know which traffic source is working and what kind of conversion it is getting, and you know the return on investment you are getting, after deducting your expenses. Then you can just multiply the marketing pieces that you are using in your funnel, and you can simply outsource the entire stuff, and you can just manage and monitor your entire process. So this is the way you have to expand your online business, and if you do this, you will keep growing. Okay, so I believe that you have got a valuable tip and information in this video, and I have created a 23-step blueprint for you on my website. Okay, I will show you exactly how I do my internet business, how I start my internet business. In fact, you will learn the exact 23 steps that I have personally used to create one of my websites that has made me over $20,000, has got me approximately 6,000 leads, and the system has helped me to get around 23,000 visitors. So I'll be giving you this entire package, which includes the free report, process map, and a set of videos absolutely free. Make sure you subscribe at my website at the www.howistartinternetbusiness.com/plan. I'll repeat the spelling. It's www.how start internet internet business business.com/plan PLAN. Make sure you subscribe there, and I'll be forwarding you this free package almost immediately. I wish you all the very best, and make sure you take action on the information I've given you today. Goodbye.